Have you ever wondered what really happens to the food you eat? I mean, the moment you take a bite, something incredible begins inside your body. It might seem simple, but your body starts working instantly, breaking down food step by step in ways you can't even see. From your mouth, all the way to your stomach and beyond. This entire journey is what we call the digestive system. And it's far more fascinating than you think. Today, we're going to explore it step by step. It starts with something as simple as a single bite. The moment food enters your mouth, your body. You may not notice it, but right now, breaking down food step by step, preparing it to become energy for your entire body. Digestion actually begins in your mouth. Your teeth break the food into smaller pieces, making it easier for your body to process. There are different types of teeth with different functions, like incisors are used to cut the food. Canines help in tearing the food, where molars grind the food into smaller pieces. At the same time, your tongue moves the food around, helps you taste it, like when something sweet or spicy touches your tongue and prepares it for swallowing. And the chewed food is then formed into a soft mass called a bolus. Once the food is formed into a bolus, saliva plays a crucial role. It softens the food, making it easier to swallow, and also helps in breaking it down into simpler substances. Saliva contains a special enzyme called amylase. An enzyme is a substance that speeds up chemical reactions. Salivary amylase begins the digestion of starch, breaking it down into simpler sugars. This enzyme is released from the salivary glands, including the parotid, submandibular, and sublingual glands. At the same time, saliva also helps kill harmful germs, protecting your body. As you swallow, a small flap called the epiglottis closes your airway, ensuring that food goes into the esophagus and not into the lungs. After leaving the mouth, the food enters the esophagus, continuing its journey through the digestive system. The esophagus is a muscular tube that connects your mouth to your stomach. It moves food downward, using a special movement called peristalsis, where muscles undergo contraction and relaxation in a wave-like motion, pushing the food towards the stomach. After passing through the esophagus, the food now enters the stomach. Once food enters the stomach, digestion becomes more powerful. The stomach does not complete digestion, but it plays a crucial role by breaking food into smaller parts. Only a small portion of digestion happens here, but the foundation is strongly built. Inside the stomach, three important substances work together: hydrochloric acid, pepsin, and a protective layer called mucus. Each of them has a specific role, working in perfect balance. Hydrochloric acid is extremely powerful. It creates an acidic environment for pepsin, which helps activate digestive enzymes. It also breaks down food particles, and most importantly, it kills harmful bacteria that enter with food, protecting the body from infection. Pepsin is a digestive enzyme. It specifically targets proteins, breaking them down into smaller pieces so they can be absorbed later in the body. Without pepsin, protein digestion would be incomplete. While acid is strong, the stomach protects itself with a thick layer of mucus. This mucus forms a protective barrier, preventing the acid from damaging the stomach walls. Without it, the stomach could digest itself. At the top of the stomach, there is a special valve called the lower esophageal sphincter. It opens to allow food in and quickly closes to prevent acid from flowing back. This keeps the food moving in one direction. Inside the stomach, a powerful movement begins in per 20 seconds. The muscles contract and relax again and again, mixing food with digestive juices. This strong, rhythmic motion breaks food down further, turning it into a semi-liquid form. After leaving the stomach, food enters the small intestine. This is where most digestion is completed, and almost all nutrients are absorbed. The small intestine plays a critical role in supplying the body with energy, growth, and repair. Although it is called the small intestine, it is actually very long. When stretched, it can reach up to 3 times the length of the human body. This long structure provides more surface area for efficient digestion and absorption. The small intestine is divided into 3 parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The duodenum receives digestive juices from the liver and pancreas. The jejunum continues the process of absorption, and the ileum absorbs the remaining nutrients. Inside the small intestine, the inner surface is not smooth. It is covered with millions of tiny projections called villi. These villi greatly increase the surface area, allowing maximum absorption of nutrients. Each villus contains tiny blood capillaries and lymph vessels. Nutrients like glucose, amino acids, and vitamins enter the bloodstream through these capillaries. From here, they are transported to every cell of the body. Along with the stomach and small intestine, 2 powerful organs support digestion: the liver and the pancreas. These organs are not part of the digestive tract, but they play an essential role. They release their secretions into the small intestine right when food enters the duodenum, helping in further breakdown of fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. The liver produces a digestive fluid called bile. Bile is stored in the gallbladder and released when needed through a tube called the bile duct. Bile does not break down food chemically. Instead, it helps in the digestion of fats by breaking large fat droplets into smaller ones. This process is called emulsification, making it easier for enzymes to act on fats. The pancreas releases pancreatic juice into the small intestine. This juice contains powerful enzymes: amylase, which breaks down carbohydrates; lipase, which digests fats; and protease enzymes, which break down proteins. Together, these enzymes complete the digestion process. The pancreas also releases bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acid coming from the stomach, creating a safe environment for enzymes to work effectively. After the small intestine, the remaining material enters the large intestine. At this stage, most nutrients have already been absorbed. The large intestine now focuses on absorbing water and minerals. As water is removed, the waste becomes more solid. Inside the large intestine, beneficial bacteria break down the remaining material and also produce certain vitamins. This process forms feces, which is later stored and removed from the body. After passing through the large intestine, the waste reaches the rectum. The rectum stores this waste until it is ready to be removed. At the end of the digestive system is the anus, controlled by 2 muscles: the internal anal sphincter, which works automatically, and the external anal sphincter, which is under conscious control. These muscles regulate the release of waste, maintaining control and proper timing. From the mouth to the stomach and through the intestines, we explored how food is broken down and absorbed by the body. Teeth and saliva begin the process. The stomach continues digestion, and the small intestine completes it, with support from the liver and pancreas. In the end, carbohydrates turn into simple sugars, proteins into amino acids, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol, powering the body every single day. Thank you for watching. If you gained even a little knowledge from this video, please like and subscribe, and support this small creator. Let me know in the comments what topic you would like to see next. Thanks for being here.